So I've always really enjoyed logic puzzles. So it's not necessarily science that started me off. My dad really likes technology and computers, and he sat down with me and we took this computer apart and he explained everything that was happening. But with the time went on, it was just what I enjoyed. Biomedical engineering classes give you a lot of different opportunities to explore different fields, which is, I think, one of the wonderful things about biomedical engineering. I started off doing research my freshman year in Dr. Craig Duvall's lab, and I really found that I enjoyed there. Later on in my end of my sophomore year, during Dr. Marjan Rafat's lab, and it's a tumor and tissue microenvironment laboratory. And there I really found that I just enjoy working with cells. I enjoy seeing what can manipulate cellular potency. I enjoy being able to see how we can understand these environments so that we can understand these diseases and how these cells develop. My project focuses on fibroblasts, which are a type of normal tissue cell located in the breast cancer tumor microenvironment, or the environment which these tumor cells grow. It was emotional, partially because we've had a lot of family friends that were impacted by breast cancer over the years. It's taken a lot of loved ones from us, so it's been something close to my heart in that regard. And I never expected breast cancer to be something that impacted my life so much, but even at Vanderbilt, it's taken its toll on me here through family members. Every study that a person does towards breast cancer or towards whatever disease it may be is only an incremental advantage in being able to understand these diseases. So it takes thousands and thousands of people and years to be able to get to a point where you can change something. Honestly, I've wanted to make an impact that isn't just generational. Research is kind of like being a drop in a huge ocean. It's contributing to that in a way that I think is more impactful, or I guess that makes me feel like I'd actually have an impact. Not more impactful in any way, because there's so many different ways you can be able to make those changes, but that's just the way I want to make my change. Most of my dad's side of the family is still in Bulgaria. Most of my mom's side of the family is here in the United States. When I was younger, I got to go back a lot more often, but with high school and college, it's been more difficult. My family is very open, and we're very family oriented. I like to keep my culture with me everywhere I go, and one way I've done that, I think, at Vanderbilt is I love cooking with my roommate. I love seeing my friends, kind of just spending time with them as if they were my family. And they are, in a sense. I think I found some friends that I will cherish for life here, and people talk about the Vandy bubble as if it's a bad thing because you get separated from the rest of the world, but I think there's a beauty in being able to focus on yourself and your prospective career for the next 4 years, while keeping in mind that you still want to be able to do things later, but having that space to really develop your own skills, I think, is really valuable, and Vanderbilt does a great job of providing you with it.